how to allow or deny appear on top permission on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on apps. You will see apps is here, so click on apps. Now here, so click on this three dot icon. So after click on this three dot icon, you will see second option is special access. So click on special access. So after click on special access, you will see appear on top is here. So click on appear on top. So if you want to appear, allow or deny appear. So if you want to allow, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see apps is allow. So if you want to deny, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see apps is deny. So after allow or deny, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can allow or deny appear on top permissions on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.